So to prevent the tires, the wheel, from getting stuck here to this part, we need to remove the rust. So for this tire change we're going all German. I've purchased a Hatset metal brush. We're going to remove here some of that rust. And actually, as you can see, I should have bought a smaller brush, because I didn't know that these pins would actually be obstructing me. But what I recommend is that you just go there where you see rust build, and then remove the rust, and then we'll put some paste on them to prevent the tires from getting stuck to them. On the sides here, we're going to be applying Kupferpaste aus Deutschland, Trennmittel. Basically only here, on the flat side of this ring, not near the bolts. That will prevent the tire from getting stuck to there, and it'll be easier to remove the tires. I bought NIGRIN. I think it's a good German brand, seems to be quite popular here in the EU. And it's known for its good quality and good prices. And yet this is true. This was about 6-7 euro, but it got good reviews on Amsterdam now, verdammt, on Amazon. Let's see what this looks like when this comes out of the tube. Yeah. It reminds me a bit of toothpaste for rich people. I mean, it looks very chic. Looks a bit goldenish, a little bronzish. Feels the same. And you need only a little to do the whole tire. Let's see what it looks like. So, here it comes. There we go, nice and round. Make sure I don't hit these bolts. A little bit more of this luxurious stuff. Sehr schön. Sehr, sehr schön. On the sides, underneath. So. Noch ein klein bisschen mehr. So ja. Here on the sides. Hope you can see this. Only very thin, but just to make sure that the whole area is covered. It's not very sticky to the fingers. And maybe I'll leave it on. It looks quite nice. What do you think? Do you use this stuff or do you use a different tool? I read that here you shouldn't put, because it must not come close to these bolts, because else you can't torque them right and they can loosen. But this looks to me like it's quite safe, and I think it can be very beneficial. Am I doing this the right way? Let me know in the comments below, and also if you use NIGRIN or something else.